In JavaScript, the object hasOwn method tells if an object has its own property that it also hasn't inherited. Every JavaScript object inherits properties from the mother of all objects. The main one among these is a toString method. That's why you can't use something simple like in to tell if an object has a certain property, because in will tell you every JavaScript object has a toString property, when in fact that's just something it inherited. That's where hasOwn comes in. You can have this object, aObj, with a property of a that maps to 1. When you ask if it has an own property of a, hasOwn returns true, as expected. When you ask if it has an own property of toString, hasOwn returns false, also as expected. You can use hasOwn to check if an array index exists. Say you had this single element array that just holds undefined. You'd be in a pickle trying to figure out that the only index that has a value in this array is index 0, because a brackets anything would return back undefined. hasOwn has a solution to this. hasOwn of index 0 would return true, and hasOwn of anything but index 0 would return false. Now the main event. How is hasOwn any different than hasOwnProperty? First off, if you overwrite the hasOwnProperty property, then hasOwn still works as expected. Also, if you object.create to inherit from null, meaning you inherit no properties, like toString or hasOwnProperty, hasOwn will still work as expected.